To remove video background on Canva in mobile, let's select our video document from our Canva homepage, and you want to choose your frame size. For this tutorial, I am going with a landscape video, and your document opens in the Canva editor. And from this down part, we're going to swipe to go over to our Uploads tab. You will upload your video files from here, but I already have my videos uploaded, so I'm going to come over to video here and select my video. I will swipe for my video to start from the beginning. This is my video, and to remove the background, I'm going to select it from the timeline here and swipe this down part and come over to BG remover and click on BG remover. My video background is out, and to add another video background, let me swipe to go to the end of my video. I'm going to check this box. I'll also swipe here to come to my Elements tab, and from here you want to search the kind of background by clicking on search element here, and you type out the type of background you want to use. I want a happy birthday background because it corresponds with what I'm saying. And you see that audio came out. There are different kinds of options that came out here. You can use an image background, but for me, I want to use a video background, so I'll click on see all to search the background I want to use. Once you find that background you want to use, this is the background I want to use, I will tap on it, and you see it adds into my design. Now I will scroll to go to where my video is, and I will pull my video by tapping on it, pull it up into the Elements timeline. Now let's start our video from the beginning. Let me just quickly pull it to begin from the beginning. Now that we have our video pulled to the beginning, let's swipe the timeline. You can see that this video we're using for a background didn't cover the whole part. So I will tap on that video, and I will come down here and swipe and come to speed, and I want to reduce the speed to 0.5, and let me go out of here. And if we swipe again, you see our video didn't cover the whole part. And what I'm going to do is to tap on the video, click on these three dots, and come to duplicate the clips. I will go out, tap on this clip just to select it so I know where my video ends, and I'll now click on this video that is the background and click on split here. Now that we've covered the portion of the video that we don't want the white to appear, I'll click on this SSS and delete it from here. Another thing I like to do is to click on my image, and I will swipe here and come over to filter. I like to apply the Capri filter under the warm filter, so I'll click on Capri. And if you want to still reduce or increase the intensity, you click into it again. I will reduce the intensity of this filter too. Yeah, now that I have that, I will click out, and you can see my whole video. Now that I have my video all set and I want to export my video, I'm going to click on the share button here and come over to download, and I will hit on download to download my video into my device.